This channel has been established for visually impaired people. For the visually impaired people, voice narration and a written expression are also provided for the hearing impaired. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. A submarine, undersea, or underwater earthquake is an earthquake that occurs underwater at the bottom of a body of water, especially an ocean. They are the leading cause of tsunamis. The magnitude can be measured scientifically by the use of the Richter scale, and the intensity can be assigned using the Mercalli intensity scale. Understanding plate tectonics helps to explain the cause of submarine earthquakes. The Earth's surface or lithosphere comprises tectonic plates which average approximately 50 miles in thickness, and are continuously moving very slowly upon a bed of magma in the asthenosphere and inner mantle. The plates converge upon one another, and one subducts below the other, or, where there is only shear stress, move horizontally past each other. See transform plate boundary below. Little movements called fault creep are minor and not measurable. The plates meet with each other, and if rough spots cause the movement to stop at the edges, the motion of the plates continue. When the rough spots can no longer hold, the sudden release of the built-up motion releases, and the sudden movement under the sea floor causes a submarine earthquake. This area of slippage both horizontally and vertically is called the epicenter, and has the highest magnitude, and causes the greatest damage. As with a continental earthquake, the severity of the damage is not often caused by the earthquake at the rift zone, but rather by events which are triggered by the earthquake. Where a continental earthquake will cause damage and loss of life on land from fires, damaged structures, and flying objects, a submarine earthquake alters the seabed floor, resulting in a series of waves, and depending on the length and magnitude of the earthquake, huge tidal waves and tsunamis, which bear down on coastal cities causing property damages and loss of life. Submarine earthquakes can also damage submarine communications cables, leading to widespread disruption of the Internet and international telephone network in those areas. This is particularly common in Asia, where many submarine links cross submarine earthquake zones such as the Pacific Ring of Fire. Contents: 1 Tectonic plate boundaries, 11 Convergent plate boundary, 12 Transform plate boundary, 13 Divergent plate boundary. 2 List of major submarine earthquakes. 3 See also. 4 References: Tectonic plate boundaries, Tectonic plate boundaries, showing the directions of plate movements. Different kinds of boundaries. The different ways in which tectonic plates rub against each other under the ocean or sea floor to create submarine earthquakes. The type of friction created may be due to the characteristic of the geologic fault or the plate boundary as follows. Some of the main areas of large tsunami-producing submarine earthquakes are the Pacific Ring of Fire and the Great Sumatran Fault. Convergent plate boundary. Main article. Convergent boundary: the older, and denser plate moves below the lighter plate. The further down it moves, the hotter it becomes, until finally melting altogether at the asthenosphere and inner mantle, and the crust is actually destroyed. The location where the two oceanic plates actually meet become deeper and deeper, creating trenches with each successive action. There is an interplay of various densities of lithosphere rock, asthenosphere magma, cooling ocean water, and plate movement. For example, the Pacific Ring of Fire. Therefore, the site of the suboceanic trench will be a site of submarine earthquakes, for example the Mariana Trench, Puerto Rico Trench, and the volcanic arc along the Great Sumatran Fault. Transform plate boundary. Main article. Transform fault. A transform fault boundary, or simply a transform boundary, is where two plates will slide past each other, and the irregular pattern of their edges may catch on each other. The lithosphere is neither added to from the asthenosphere nor is it destroyed as in convergent plate action. For example, along the San Andreas Fault strike slip fault zone, the Pacific tectonic plate has been moving along at about 5. The following is a list of major submarine earthquakes. Date, event, location, estimated moment, magnitude. MW Notes: March 11, 2011. Tohoku earthquake. The epicenter is 130 km 81. Dead in countries around the Bay of Bengal and the Indian Ocean. May 4, 1998. A part of the island of Yonaguni was destroyed by a submarine earthquake. May 22, 1960. Valdivia earthquake. The epicenter is off the coast of south-central Chile. 95. This is the strongest earthquake ever recorded. December 20, 1946. Nankaido earthquake. The epicenter is off the southern coast of Kii Peninsula and Shikoku, Japan. 81. December 7, 1944. Toninkai earthquake. The epicenter is about 20. The epicenter is at Grand Banks, off the south coast of Newfoundland in the Atlantic Ocean. 72 June 15, 1896 Sanriku earthquake. The epicenter is off the Sanriku coast of northeastern Honshu, Japan. 85 April 4, 1771 The epicenter is near Yaeyama Islands in Okinawa, Japan. 74 January 26, 1700 Cascadia earthquake. The epicenter is offshore from Vancouver Island to northern California, approximately 90. This is one of the largest earthquakes on record. See also Cascadia subduction zone, fracture zone. Geology. List of plate tectonics. Topics: List of tectonic plate interactions, List of tectonic plates, Metamorphism, Plate tectonics, Sedimentary basin, Triple junction, Tsunami. References: Earthquake, The Columbia Encyclopedia, 6th edition, 2001–05. URL accessed January 23, 2007. Convergent plate boundaries, Convergent boundary, Geology.com. URL accessed January 23, 2007. Understanding plate motions, This Dynamic Earth, USGS. URL accessed January 23, 2007. Divergent plate boundaries, Divergent boundary, Geology.com. URL accessed January 23, 2007.